this is EzimaX. So guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you guys my top down analysis on gold and how I'm planning to shoot gold for next week. Let me not just talk too much. Let's start top down analysis starting from from the weekly time frame. Of course, we have to start from the weekly time frame because the week just closed, so we have to see what's going on the weekly time frame. So what's popping on the weekly time frame? So as you can see here on the weekly time frame, last week candle broke the last 2 weeks and last 4 weeks candle with a very strong resistant candle, which simply indicates a bullish continuation or maybe a change of trend. But we can't just decide this by looking at the weekly time frame, so we got to go down to daily time frame to see what's going on. So on the daily time frame, what's popping on the daily time frame? On this daily time frame now, we see price broke out after consolidating for days. After consolidating for days and burning a lot of people, including I myself, before I caught this nice trade. But with that being said, now I'll be marking out strong resistance area, and the main areas I'll be concentrating on are those areas where price get to and sold off rapidly, as you can see at this area. The first area which is at the level of 2449. As you can see here, price after getting to that level had a very, very nice rejection candle and immediately sold off. So we have that one in mind. And this second area where price got to and then sold off big time area, at this 62 at 2382 level. It's a very strong resistant area because you can see that Forex candle then pull down, and also we have a very nice resistant area too at this level. What's wrong with this chart? Please pardon me and my charts. Okay, at this area too, I'm going to mark it out because it's a very strong resistant area. And this area too has a confluence of rally at the left if you look very well, but I'm not going to make this box reach that area. And also let me mark out the support area we have here, which is where price got to and bought off immediately. As you can see, price got to this area and immediately it bought off. I'm going to mark it out. Okay, I'm going to mark you out. So just give me some time. I'm going to mark these two areas out. Do not worry, we are on a daily time frame, so the more we go in, the more we adjust. So with this in mind, I'll go down to a lower time frame, 4 hour time frame, to see what is going on and maybe start planning our movements from there. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm seeing market broke out this resistant area after consolidating this box here. I'm going to mark out this consolidation area. Why? Because if you are a gold trader and you have been trading gold for a long time now, you notice that anytime gold closes a week candle or any candle at all with a consolidation area like that one I've just marked out now, it's always coming back to visit this area. So I'm going to be looking for 2 things here right now. I'm going to wait for candle to either pull back to this area. I'll be expecting candle to pull down to 2370 area to 2365 area for me to go long again this trade. I marked out this area because as you can see there is an OB box there, other block box around that area. So let me go down to 1 hour time frame to confirm and see what is going on 1 hour time frame, because there's not much thing going on in the 4 hour time frame. So as you can see, that box I marked out, that other block fair value gap shade, or what do you guys even call it, that I just marked out, has a very strong rally, which I'm expecting price to either pull back down to this area. Let me mark it out so you seeing it well. Either price to pull back down to this area before continuing its bullish move, because definitely I'm expecting gold to hit 450 to 425 before the end of next week. So for this is how I'm going to set this plan for this gold. First, I'm going to show you guys my intraday plan, and then show you guys how I will shoot this long swing trade on buy. So first of all, let me go down to the 30 minutes time frame. You can see on this 30 minutes time frame, gold is giving some kind of morning star pattern here, but don't pay attention to those morning star stuff, because this morning star this stuff doesn't really work a lot on gold. It works better on Euro USD but not on gold, so I'm just going to ignore that candle and go down to, I'm not seeing much thing here. 30 minutes. Let me just go to 15 minutes to get a clear view of what 30 minutes is trying to tell me. Okay, on this 30 minutes time frame, this is how I'm planning to go intraday first on gold. My plan A will be, I'll mark out this area. Let me change the color so it appears different. Let me put in my favorite color. Okay, what I'll be expecting on this particular area right now is for gold to do one thing for me: either test or just break this area. I know gold very well, more than you think you do. Let me just mark this time. Either gold break this area, breaks this area, and then fly back to complete to take this resistance area. You can see right here, to mark out this resistance area. I want it to take out 85 support, 2385 support area, and pull back down to 2370 to 65 area before I start going long. And in case if gold doesn't get up to that level, this will be my plan B. Plan B is very simple and similar to plan A, which is waiting for price to break below. Once price breaks below this area, I'm just going to wait for some like a retest or a 70% pull. But in case price does not do any of this stuff and it just wants to keep flying to the moon, I already have a plan B for it, because I already have a plan for it. There is a pattern around this area which I will share with you guys. Not every information is free. From this area, this particular side, this place. So in case if gold does not want to even pull back at all, my plan B will be waiting for it to break. Please pardon me. Let me zoom in. So if in case if gold does not respect or do anything, you just say about the intraday and just want to keep going on. So I'll just wait for it to fly as long as you wish. Break this area, break out this area right here, break this area and make at least 70% pull to the downside. Yes, of course, make at least 70% pull to the downside, but I'm strongly waiting for gold to make to pull down to this rally, to this 82 70 to 65 area. 80 70 65 area is the area I'm going for gold. So guys, I will send signal on any movement price days. We don't control this market, we only follow what market gives us. So join my Telegram group below. I will be sending you guys signal in case if market gives any new update. I will share the trade signal either long or short. Just follow what market says. So with that being said, I'll be coming to the end of this video, guys. This is still your boy, your guy EzimaX. Make sure to subscribe, please subscribe. Please subscribe. It's very, very important, man. Just kidding. I'll see you guys in the next video.
A creative mind is a fertile land for growth.